Here we have a full transit custom, and what we've fitted is a Pandora Smart Pro. Now the Pandora Smart Pro is a Category 1 Fareham approved alarm and immobiliser, so it's insurance approved. So as well as being an alarm system, it also has its own immobilisation. With the Pandora system, it works with a factory remote, but you must carry the unique Pandora tag. And without this tag, it won't actually disarm the alarm system, and nor will it disengage the immobiliser. The alarm system itself comes with sensors, so you have the interior sensor. This customer's gone with the optional extra movement sensor in the load area, being the van, and also a tilt sensor, shock sensor, worn-away shock sensor, and motion sensor. So it's pretty protected, and obviously all the doors are protected and the bonnet's protected. So if we just give it a bit of a whack, it triggers the alarm system off. And what I've done, I've taken the battery out of the tag. So it won't disarm until the battery's in. Now it's disarmed. But what I do want to show you, I am going to take the battery back out again. So we'll give that a little while for it to actually stop sensing it. So I've got the tag, but I have taken the battery out just to show you. Now if we come to disarm it, it's not seen the tag, so it's not actually disarmed the alarm, but I have unlocked the door with the remote. So if we jump in, the alarm's going off, and I'm just going to show you the immobiliser. So I'm going to try to start it. Got nothing, it will not start. So what I need to do is put the battery back in the tag, like so. If I lock it, unlock it, it's now seen the tag because I put the battery in it. If I jump in, the vehicle now starts. And also, what we've done as an additional feature, we fitted engine remote start. Now, the engine remote start, why would you want it? In the winter, you can start the engine up, get the heaters going, just warm your cab up, defrost the windscreen, so you could just come back to the vehicle, start up and drive off. If you want it in the summer, you could have the aircon set up, so you do the engine remote start. When you come to the vehicle, you unlock it, and it's already nice and cool. So that's the nice features about having engine remote start. As well as those practical reasons, it actually always seems pretty cool. And I have just activated it, so have a look at this. And as you can see, it's all started. The van is still locked, and it's still armed as well, the alarm system. So any intrusion is going to trigger the alarm system off and will cut the engine dead. But if you don't want to do that and you actually want to come to it and just drive off, all you have to do is unlock it. Unlocks. The van is still running. Put the key in ignition, and off you go. Simple as that. So, what we've done, we fitted a Pandora Smart Pro with engine remote start, with additional sensors on this full transit custom.